What if I told you the people who get teased for driving too slowly are actually leading a silent revolution? And their cars might be smarter than the entire family WhatsApp group combined. And here's the real question. When a single car can brake faster than Grandpa's reflexes, warn him about hidden cars, and even call an ambulance without asking permission, is Grandpa driving the car, or is the car driving Grandpa? Welcome to the new era of senior safe driving, where advanced technology is doing for older adults what teenagers think their phones do: save their lives. Seniors aren't bad drivers, they're just more fragile. Let's address the stereotype first. Seniors aren't dangerous drivers. They're not heading out onto highways with a let chaos decide attitude. The real issue is that older bodies simply don't respond or heal the way younger ones do. According to the CDC, every single day about 25 older adults die in road crashes in the US, and more than 740 are injured. This isn't due to reckless driving, it's because fractures, internal injuries, and trauma affect seniors more severely. In 2023 alone, nearly 7,900 adults aged 65 and older lost their lives in road-related incidents, about 1/5 of all traffic deaths. But here's the part nobody expects. Even though seniors are driving longer and later in life, the death rate has dropped dramatically, almost half since the 1970s. What changed? Seatbelts improved, airbags became standard, roads got safer. But smart car technology has quietly become one of the biggest lifesavers. The rise of smart cars. When we say smart car, we don't mean vehicles that fly or hold philosophical conversations. We mean everyday cars with features known as advanced driver assistance systems. These systems don't take over like full autopilot, but they jump in during the exact moments when humans are most vulnerable, reacting late, getting tired, or failing to see something. Think of it as driving with an extremely alert friend, a friend who never blinks, never gets sleepy, never checks their phone at red lights, and never screams, "Bro, what are you doing?" when you brake suddenly. In other words, nothing like an actual friend. Automatic emergency braking saves the day. If smart cars had a single superpower, it would unquestionably be automatic emergency braking. This system uses sensors to detect when your car is heading toward danger. If you don't react in time, because maybe your attention slipped or someone suddenly stopped in front of you, the car slams the brakes for you. Research shows that automatic emergency braking can reduce rear-end injury crashes by up to 45%. And in newer models with better sensors and faster processors, the reduction can be as high as 60%. Picture Grandpa driving leisurely, listening to old Bollywood songs, when a car suddenly stops ahead. Before he even realizes what's happening, bam, not the crash, but the brakes. The car practically says, "Relax, Grandpa, I got this." This system alone has prevented thousands of accidents and saved countless lives. And for seniors who may have slower reflexes, it can literally be the difference between a close call and a tragedy. The system that shouts, "Stay in your lane," literally. Let's be honest, nobody drifts out of their lane on purpose. It happens when drivers get tired, unfocused, or simply struggle to see lane markings. For seniors, long drives and nighttime driving can be challenging due to vision changes, lane departure warning, and lane keeping assist. Step in like polite driving instructors. First, the car beeps or vibrates gently to say, "Buddy, you're drifting." If that doesn't work, lane keeping assist nudges the steering wheel ever so slightly to guide the car back into place. Studies show lane departure systems can reduce severe lane drift crashes by more than 20%. That includes head-on collisions and side swipes, the kinds of accidents that are especially dangerous for older adults. It's basically like having a tiny guardian angel who whispers, Stay in your lane, my child. The neck-saving miracle. If you've ever tried to change lanes only to hear a horn blast like the soundtrack of Doom, you understand why blind spot accidents happen. For seniors with arthritis, stiff necks, or limited mobility, turning fully to check blind spots isn't easy. Blind spot monitoring uses radar to keep constant watch over the areas a driver cannot see. A little warning light in the mirror glows when something is lurking beside the car. If a driver still attempts to merge, the system gives a louder warning or shakes the steering wheel like a tiny earthquake. Data shows that blind spot monitoring reduces lane change crashes by around 14% and injury crashes by about 23%. That's not a small deal. It's a life-changing amount. Seniors absolutely love this feature because it reduces stress, avoids dangerous surprises, and eliminates the need to twist like a yoga instructor during lane changes. Parking assist. Parallel parking is universally hated. Teenagers hate it. Adults hate it. Seniors, well, let's just say most would rather walk an extra block than attempt parking between two SUVs in a tight space. Smart cars now come with reversing cameras, 360-degree views, sonar-like sensors, and even auto parking systems. With Auto Park, the car scans for a space, lines itself up, and slides into the spot with a confidence most humans can only dream of. For seniors with limited mobility or slower reaction times, this transforms parking from a stressful gamble into a relaxing experience. No more hitting curbs, misjudging distances, or leaving the car embarrassingly crooked like a rebellious teenager. The cruise control that actually has a brain. Traditional cruise control simply keeps your speed constant. Adaptive cruise control takes it up 10 levels. It automatically adjusts speed based on the vehicle ahead, maintaining a safe distance. In traffic, it slows down. When things clear, it speeds up again. For seniors doing long drives, this feature is a godsend. No more constant brake gas movements that tire out the legs and drain the mind. Adaptive cruise also reduces panic moments because the car never gets too close to anyone. In some cars, this system works with lane centering technology, making highway driving smoother than a fresh jar of peanut butter. Emergency auto call. Modern vehicles come with built-in emergency call systems. If the car detects a severe crash, based on airbag deployment, pressure changes, or impact force, it automatically calls emergency services and sends your location. This is crucial for seniors who drive alone or in rural areas. If they are unconscious or disoriented after a crash, the car acts immediately. No delays, no confusion, no waiting. Many people owe their lives to this single feature. Do seniors actually want all this tech? Although seniors may joke about too many buttons, research says older drivers appreciate advanced safety features, especially when they are simple and straightforward. Seniors value independence, and these systems help them stay mobile safely. The only time seniors reject technology is when it's confusing or overwhelming. If the instructions require a magnifying glass and a PhD, forget it. But if the features are intuitive, seniors adapt quickly and often use them religiously. Smart cars extend independence, not replace it. One of the most powerful benefits of smart vehicles is that they allow seniors to keep driving safely for more years. Driving isn't just transportation, it's freedom, it's dignity. It's being able to visit friends, buy groceries, attend appointments, and stay connected. Smart cars aren't replacing human drivers. They're supporting them, compensating for age-related changes, and reducing risks dramatically. The new co-pilot seniors didn't know they needed. Walk past a driveway today, and you might see an older adult sitting inside a car that's quietly working overtime. It's checking blind spots, slamming brakes in emergencies, calling for help if things go wrong, guiding lane positions, and parking with the skill of a professional valet. The stereotype used to be that seniors were unsafe drivers. The truth now? Seniors are safer than ever because their cars are smarter than ever. In this new era of driving, technology isn't replacing Grandpa, it's protecting him. And honestly, with the way some young drivers behave, maybe they should consider upgrading to Grandpa's smart wheels too. And that's the incredible truth behind how smart cars are quietly saving senior lives and reshaping the future of safe driving. If you enjoyed this deep dive and learned something new today, make sure to hit that like and don't forget to subscribe. And hey, tap that notification bell so you never miss another video that could literally save a life. Thanks for watching, drive safe, and I'll see you in the next one.